So welcome, I'm Soumitra here from Joy Web Services Private Limited. Now I'm always talking about RevBay. So RevBay, the first most important feature of RevBay is that you can showcase all of your reviews through one link, one single link. Because whenever your client is asking about something like tell me your clients, what people talk about you, tell your testimonials. So what happens is actually if you have reviews, we don't have a place where we can show it in a one place, single place, and that is also how we can show. Reviews can be shared through a link, simple link. See now for this example, for example, this is Joy Web Services page. Okay, so it is showing 4.7 rating out of 5, 97 reviews. So all these reviews are on one page. So these are the text reviews which were given by the RevBase link. RevBase has a link, here we have a link. So you can send this link to your client. They can ask to put their review. So these actual reviews are posted through RevBase, is mentioned. Okay. Now there is one more thing. There are certain reviews recorded through the mobile app also. So from mobile app also you can ask the reviews to be put up. And again, this is through Revway, but this is a video review. So we had collected the review, uploaded that on YouTube, and then posted on the Revway. That is also possible. Otherwise, what happens is you will need to go to separately to YouTube, and then you will need to do that. This is a simple video actually. It's not a big thing, but this is possible on Revway. Okay, so you can record a video, can upload, and you can play that on the wall itself, and you can answer also. So this is a feature of Revbay. Now how we share the review, let me show you that. So this is typically WhatsApp. You can see this is a WhatsApp. We are going to WhatsApp. Now just look, have a look at this. Now there was one inquiry from Nagpur for a training. So what I was doing is I was just communicating with the customer. I mean the customer, and I just told him that this is a lady actually. So I told her that there is a review from Nagpur. So we had collected this review from Nagpur, from one customer in Nagpur. So I just copied that content and posted so him to know. And we mentioned this is very specific. We mentioned here you can look at other reviews at this link. This is important. And if you click on this particular thing, it will showcase all the reviews. So it actually takes the link to the Joy Web Services page. That is the advantage of this. So did you notice? So there is a customer requirement, and with this, what we are doing is we are giving them all the reviews in one link. So no need to go and copy each and every review in separately. So that is a very important feature of developing. So this particular feature, with this feature, we'll end today, and we'll talk about some other features in some other videos.